The company overview for Conectric today is CEO Phil Kopp. Conectric actually offers a low-cost, plug-and-play sensor network platform for customized energy and IoT infrastructure applications. And they also have recently executed several global channel partner agreements. And so I'll let Phil tell you about that.
Thanks, Marty. Let's get into it. So I'm here today to talk about wireless intelligent buildings. That means buildings that are contextually aware of their current energy, occupancy, and environmental conditions. It's very important for the well-being of the occupants of those buildings, for energy efficiency, for knowing whether or not we have too much or not enough real estate, and in the context of a smart, renewable grid, being able to be more proactive about managing supply and demand on those volatile systems. So the issue is that in order to have an intelligent building, it needs a lot of inputs, sensors. They need to be on all the time, they require a lot of power, and therefore they need to be attached to wires. I don't know if you've ever tried to move a wire after you've constructed a building, but it's a very expensive endeavor, adding or moving wires. And so therefore, this is not a really good solution to making all of the buildings in the world intelligent buildings. Very expensive proposition. You end up with wireless. And today's wireless technology also consumes a lot of power. So it needs to be connected to a wire. You're back to square one. If you use battery-powered devices, they tend to report very intermittently and are just unreliable in order to support these kinds of goals. So what Conectric has done is we've created a completely wireless network, battery-powered devices that operate for 10 years in real time. It's a major improvement over existing systems. When you take that and you connect it together with an ecosystem of the world's best software, data analytics, and control systems, you end up with an intelligent building that was relatively easy and fast to put together. So this is a very big market. We're enabling this market, and really what we've done is we've kind of addressed the technical issues and some business issues. So we're engaging the enterprise by doing certain things. We allow the customer to actually own and manage their own data and security. We don't touch the customer's IT systems. They're very easy to maintain over time. And we're reporting down to the 1 second level. So we're able to capture those critical events that are very high value that everyone is looking for. And so this really helps us to sort of get into these enterprise business requirements. Our solution overall is a combination of hardware. Those are the wireless sensors that actually capture those data inputs. The connectivity, which is a networking infrastructure that captures that information. And then middleware, which allows our smart building owner to be able to connect their sensor networks to virtually any software on the planet. Our pricing is very simple. We charge a one-time fee per device. That makes it very easy to calculate how much your smart building is going to cost and what the return on investment is going to be. And at the end of the day, our customers are asset people. That's how they buy things. So we have to sell our products in the way that our customers buy them. Our products are being used in a lot of exciting projects like this California Energy Commission project here, where we're taking a portfolio of buildings and connecting them in real time to the California grid system via a software partner called Olivine. And that allows these buildings to be able to bid in their flexible load and actually not just save tens of thousands of dollars a year in their bills, but actually earn tens of thousands of dollars a year in payments as if they were a power plant. So this is kind of a revolutionary project. Our systems are also being used in commercial and industrial refrigerated warehouses. This is an important market because it's the most energy intensive type of building use in the country or in the world. And they're being used to monitor the warehouses and the truck fleets that are associated with them, rigorously testing our products down to minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit, generating a lot of efficiency. We have a pretty expansive IP portfolio, invested a lot of time and money into 5 issued patents in the area of what to do with your smart building that's energy, occupancy, and environmentally aware and fully grid integrated. Our team is very experienced in this area. This is my 4th company that I've started in the last 20 years in the area of energy efficiency, wireless sensors, or software. We built this entire platform from the ground up. The embedded firmware systems, protocols, hardware, platform architecture was all designed in-house, and we've got great advisors in the semiconductor and commercial systems integration businesses to help us scale this. So our company comes to market via a partnership ecosystem. We use systems integrators, sales and installation, and channels and distributors to get our products into end user customers. We've been building this partnership ecosystem for just under a year now. It took us about 3.5 years to commercialize this product. So just under the last year, we're approaching $1 million in annual run rate. And I'm very pleased that we're engaging with projects and proposals with companies like AT&T, Aero Electronics, Bosch Climatech, and very recently Microsoft IoT. So that's really vetted the quality and differentiation of our solution. So in summary, we've kind of solved these big barriers that are preventing every building from being really intelligent building. And right now we're looking for customers, we're looking for channel partners, we're looking for software ecosystem partners. We're onboarding new partners every single day. We just brought one in from Singapore yesterday. Later this year, we'll probably be doing some fundraising so that we can really establish this company as the leader in this space that we believe we deserve to be. So thank you very much.